This is your Canadian weather, guys. Man, it's not gonna be fun shoveling this driveway. Hey, what's up, guys? So we just got hit with a big giant snowstorm. Right, and I just finished shoveling my driveway. You guys can see. And I live on the corner, so I had to do all of this. Check it out. All the way up to way up there. Crazy. Check this out, man. And I don't have a snow blower like that guy. You know? Figure I'd just man up and break my back doing this. Check it out. All of this. All of that snow all the way up to the end there. That's all me, man. So instead of going to my house like a normal person, I even did my steps, I decide, hey, it's freezing out, so let me go fly the Spark. So I'm gonna find a spot, guys, and show you how Toronto looks in the winter. I always check out that flag right there to see how windy it's gonna be if I think of doing a flight. It's blowing pretty good. See you guys at the spot. Well, I'm at the spot where I thought I would want to fly, but snow everywhere. So I don't know about this, man. We'll see. Well, check it out, guys. Check me out. Sinking in the snow, man. Well, this is a baseball diamond. Oh my gosh. This is probably a bad idea, guys. Alright, here we go, guys. The Spark in the middle of winter. Let's see what happens. Okay. Alright. Wind is sort of taking this bad boy away. This thing ain't used to this, man. Check it out. Wow. I don't know, man. This might be a bad idea. Well, I'm already here. Let's take it up a bit. This thing is trying to fight the wind big time. Holy crap. I don't want to lose you. My gosh. Yeah. I just want to look around a bit, man. Crazy. Yep. This might be the worst idea you've ever seen on my channel. Let's just look around a bit. That little guy's strong though, man. High wind velocity, the Spark monitor says. Better believe it. Well, look up a bit. If I can fly a little bit. Why not? There's a drone. My hands are frozen. What the hell am I doing out here, guys? Whoa. Let me go a little higher so you guys can see my city a bit better. Spark's a champ though, man. It's holding its altitude. It is a champ. Let me look around a bit. Look at that. All you see is white, man. Wow. Well, that's the end of this show. My hands are freezing right now. But much respect for the Spark, man. Much respect, Spark. Look at you. Yep. Yep. I'm that crazy guy flying out in the middle of winter. Alright. Before the wind picks up again, let me land this bad boy. DJI Spark. Check out the shoes on it, guys. Got the winter shoes. Land, man. You can do it. Oh, wind is picking up. I'm not landing in the snow. No way. No way. You're not landing in the snow, buddy. I'm just gonna drop it real quick. Bam! Like that. There you go. Well, that's it. I'm nuts. That's a DJI Spark, guys. Middle of winter. Well, it started again. Guess I gotta be shoveling in a couple hours. Later, guys.